Okay, so today we're gonna go to Style Encore and see how much they're gonna give me for these Jimmy Choo boots. I've had these posted since April. I've tried listing on my Instagram. I've tried listing them on eBay. I've had one offer on them. I listed them on eBay for $550 and got one offer back in April. No, I think it was back in March, and I was offered, I think, $250 with shipping included, and I was like, no, these are Jimmy Choo. These aren't Stuart Weitzman. So it comes with the box, obviously. The boots are in like excellent condition. Like there's no major scuffing on the leather. The only wear really is to the bottom of the heel, which I mean all shoes get like that anyway, so it's not like it's a huge deterring factor. And most importantly is it comes with the box and it comes with the receipt. And like here's the receipt right here. I just cut out all the information, but it basically cost like $12.51 US, and there's also duty on top of that of $300, like crazy, right? And this was in US dollars. So, and it came from the Jimmy Choo website online, and this is called the Haley 100 green calf black leather shoes. So I don't know if I paid $70 minus 30% plus tax. So I think I paid like around $55 maybe for it. So if they give me anything over, if they give me like 150, I'd be happy. I don't know. I mean, I should have taken that 250 offer from that lady, but I mean, there's going to be PayPal fees on top of the eBay fee, so it would be equating the kind of like the same 150. So if they gave me 150 for it, I'd be happy. Anything more, because I called them, and I actually called them, and they said that they sell things 50 to 70% off of retail, and then they give you 40% of that, I think. I don't know. That's what they said. Somewhere along those lines. It could be 50% or 40% of what they will sell it for, or something like that. But I don't know. I forgot exactly what they said, but it's around the same ballpark. Anyway, like I said, it comes with the box, it comes with the receipt, it comes with the care card, and the boots are in like really good condition, especially if you're not looking at the heel. I mean, who is going to look at your heels unless you have your feet up in the air while some hot guy's doing you? But they're size 38, made in Italy, and yeah, we'll see how it goes. So it says Haley and size 38 and all the barcodes. So hey guys, Miss Philly here. We are gonna go to Aritzia because Nancy wants to return something. Her husband ordered her some leather pants because he has that kind of leather kind of going on. But she wants to go return it. God, I hope I don't buy anything because we're literally going to Minneapolis tomorrow. So it's like, do I need to spend money? Do I need to spend money on freaking Aritzia and Pink? Yes, I do. I love Aritzia and I love Pink. So I might just buy one thing. I'll just buy one thing. Just one thing. But yeah, we're just wearing Pennington's on sale, thrifted green jacket as usual, thrifted Wilfred, and I think that's all we're wearing. Bag of the day is a Louis Vuitton Matisse. Where is it? Over here. Bag of the day, a Louis Vuitton Matisse. And yeah, now we're gonna go to Polo Park and return something. Oh, I need to grab some macaroons from Godiva because I want. Oh, sorry. Her husband just literally like waved at me because I'm busy vlogging, and I finally looked over and then he was waving at me. Her husband, Nancy's husband, is so cute. I think my underwear is falling off. Favorite store in the world.
I don't understand why this is Wilfred free, the one that we got. But the one that I have at home is just Wilfred, not free.
This cardigan, super cute.
That's the crotch. It's fine.
I really like this. How much is it?
Don't be shocked on me. Well, I guess it's real, I don't know, pero made in China.
I think they're all made in China.
So, color. May large.
I like that.
Or no, mas maganda ito pala. I like the shape of this.
That one? Yeah, they're more expensive.
Business.
Super cute.
Diba gusto mo yung
$210.
Oh, that's the only thing.
But it's cute. We also have it in gray.
Black. I have it in black.
Oh, nice.
Pero mas gusto ko yung
Babaton. $150 for this. Whoops. Well, I think they changed the name. I'm really liking this jacket. Well, Nancy liked it first. Then I saw it and I liked it.
But I don't like it anymore. It's 328. Yeah, those I think are down.
That probably that probably won't fit me, right?
Oh, it's magnetic too.
Ooh, it's magnetic.
Bougie. Oh, see?
Oh, nice. Oh. What's the price of this? Where's the tag?
328 nga.
The Oscar. Try it on. XL Babaton Dexter pants. I really like them a lot, but the white stripe kind of makes it look kind of sporty. I do like it in black. You can kind of dress this one up, but it's in a large and it's the only one they have. You don't have this in XL, unfortunately. Like this too. Super cute. It's 90% wool. 150. Came from Aritzia and I literally just spent $170 on one pair of pants. Like, who does that? But they were cute pants.
This guy.
Oh my god. But I love you. I love you, Aritzia. Mwah. Hey guys, okay, we're in front of Style Encore. We're gonna bring our Jimmy Choos and see how much they're gonna give it to us. I don't know how much they're gonna give it to us. I'm gonna guess that they're gonna give me about 120. Nancy's guess is that they're gonna give me 100. So if I get 150, I would be completely happy, but we'll see what happens. Ooh, this is super cute. This is cute too. Oh my god, this is so Nancy. $26. Mark by mark. Caruto leather tote. It's only like $8 for Vince Caruto. But I've had a problem with my other Vince Caruto, so I'm not gonna grab it. So we have Tallulah. What is this? Alfred? No. Pink Rose. I should have recognized that. some price for 10 bucks. But it's like super shrunken. See? Totally has been shrinked. Shrinkage. Whatever the word is.
Wow.
Victoria's Secret?
Pink.
Oh, cute.
Extra small, but it's brand new with tags.
Oh, wow.
Where is that? Where's the tag now?
Right here.
Oh, right there.
Yeah.
Used to be
25.
want,
You don't want it?
but it's too small. This
Just so I know.
okay.
I looked over there. They don't have any pink or nothing.
This pants though is TNA golden, but it's size medium. I could probably squeeze into that
Yes. Yeah, it feels nice.
with this.
Oh, yeah. You little hoochie.
You're right.
What's this other stuff?
Wilfred free,
Ooh,
but I don't know. It's size small though. I
Stretchy?
probably am. I don't know. Is it?
oh, yeah, it's stretchy.
Yeah, but it's small.
But it's clearance.
I know. It's clearance. There's some little snugs here.
So it's only going to be like $4.
Yeah. This one is for Lauren. I know she likes these things. I don't know what brand is that.
Oh,
but
cute.
Ticket.
Oh, sorry. Oh.
So that's that. Oh, here is all. There's Wilfred.
Oh, nice.
Small.
Camisole, yeah.
Small. Actually, yung boobs ko dyan. Can I get into this?
You can try.
Tallulah, medium.
Nice.
I told you, it's all summer stuff here.
I know that's Tallulah.
Tallulah, medium.
And I
all
get my pink.
$3.
Low
Probably
back.
I'm not gonna get the Wilfred.
Okay, guys, so we came back from Style Encore, and the verdict is they rejected my ass. They basically said that because it's a style it's an expensive brand, and that they're going to price it at $150. So basically, they would only give me like
30% off.
30% of $150, which is like less than $100. So no bueno to that. They rejected them anyway because they're just way too. They're after taxes and duty, they're basically $1,500 shoes, and they have to be picky for the more expensive stuff. They still have a pair of Dolce & Gabbana shoes that haven't sold. They have a pair of Stuart Weitzmans. They have a lot of high-end shoes that have not sold for them. So they do have to. So maybe that's why there's not high-end stores here in Winnipeg, because the market isn't as big as, say, Toronto or Vancouver or Edmonton, Calgary. So we were denied, rejected, like my whole life. But we went to Plato's Closet, and Nancy found this and gave it to me. It's just a pink, brand new with tags. It was clearance, so it was only $3 for this. It's an extra small. Like, this is what I've been telling you in my last video. Extra small. Look how big this is. Extra small.
Yeah.
Who?
It's a stretch on.
Yeah, there's like so much stretch. And it's brand new with tags. And regular price was $26.50. So, yeah. Thank you guys for coming with me today. Don't forget to remain positive, progressive, and productive. And I'll see you probably from Minneapolis. Bye.